On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Yeah. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
What is going on? Good morning, Otter gang. You guys are, you guys ready to rock? You guys ready to rock? You guys are pretty awesome, man. Welcome to the Alex O Crypto Show, where we try to press buy and sell successfully. You know, we say good morning to every single one of you guys. I may be long right now. What is worse than finding a worm? What is worse than finding a worm in your apple? Finding half a worm in your apple. Oh, it doesn't stop, does it? You know what I did today? Okay. This is what I did today. Fear and Greed's at 75. I messed up my morning coffee. I have a confession. I messed up my morning coffee. I'm drinking tea. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? I've had one good coffee, but then the rest of it's all messed up, man. I messed it up. I didn't have time. I'm drinking jasmine tea. I am long though. Oh man. I'm actually gonna close this out here. I want to start fresh today. I think this can go up here. Bouncing off, you know, a 786 platinum pocket area. Bottoming structure kind of deal. 786. Okay, got long here. A little scalpy in the morning, you know, with a good coffee. Now that the coffee is diminished, gonna exit this in some profits here. I'll close this out 1 second. Da-da-da. Okay. Okay, we're good. Fresh start. Watch, now it's gonna go to the moon. That's okay. We reset, with this no coffee business. So what happened was, I grind the beans, okay? And every morning, I typically have a good-sized pot of ground coffee that I've typically ground or my wife has ground the night before. Well, to my surprise this morning, I had forgotten. And there was like I would say, so I normally put on a pot and I make my pour over, the first one. So I had enough for the pour over, so I made that one. And then I put, so my wife has like decaf. Look, there's a coffee here. So my wife has decaf ground coffee, which is like kind of nasty. Like, come on. And I had like half of the amount that I would normally put in the pot. So I went half decaf and half of my coffee, and it came out with this stuff. Now, you know that scene in Austin Powers when he's drinking Fat Bastard's coffee? Basil, this tastes like shite. That's because it is shite, Austin. It's naughty. That one. That's what this is right here. That is what this is right here. That's because it is shite, Austin. Oh man, it's absolutely it's horrible. So I made a tea quickly because the live stream was starting. Okay. Tastes nutty. Look for the SFP at this liquidity zone down below here. Okay, this is just trickling down. We got a nice bull div in here. However, this is not a bottom I like. Okay, this is just like a little SFP down in here. Continuation upwards back into this trend line. We have a major trend line up here, an order block up in here as well. Okay, so down we go. Where we stop, who the hell knows, right? We do have some key levels that we are interested in throughout here. So thank you everybody for being here on the live, and we just might hit 6,000 subscribers today. I think we need like 5 more. So if you are new here, welcome. Tony Soprano, Jeffrey Stonecipher, Airdropper, what's going on? Marion, good to see you. Good morning. Holding my winners is still tough. Okay. I want to collect and take profits along the way, but I let it ride and it could have made so much more. Yeah, stop loss to entry. Still want to collect. Okay, there's nothing wrong with stop loss to entry after... it depends, but you typically want to go stop loss to entry after a proven structure, right? So, like if you got long here, putting your stop loss at entry right now wouldn't, maybe underneath this low right now, but I would say you would want to have it at least under this low here. Now, we'll see how this goes out, but yeah, if you're trailing, right? If you're trailing, it's a different story. If you're just stop loss to entry to guarantee profits, you could do it just to have a risk-free trade, but a lot of the time it will come back for you, okay? I got long here this morning. I got long here this morning. Took profits in here, okay? And I got long here this morning. And I took profits literally right here, right? Just now. So I can show you that if you want on my 1 minute time frame here, right? There you go, right? So you see, I got long down in here. Okay, a little bit early. Got out here. Got long again. Got out here. Okay, so part of the journey, right? Part of the journey. I could still be in this, but little couple scalps this morning just to limber up, to get some good trades in while I had a good coffee. All right. Oh man, I can't believe I'm drinking tea in the morning. So that's where we're at. No trade now. Made some money this morning. Now we hanging out with you. Dragonfly, what's going on? Albino Rhino, good to see you. Joel Vasquez. Good morning to you. Crypto Caveman, what's going on? Gang. Patrick Swayze, greetings from London. Hiya, you all right? You all right, mate? No, they don't say mate. They don't say mate that much. They say, you all right? Instead of saying like, hey, what's up? They go, are you all right? You all right? You all right, mate? I remember when I first met my wife's mother, I couldn't understand a word she said. She's got a right thick accent, a West Midlands accent. Dan Bartley, good to see you. Big time mindset. Good morning. Mo too. Good to see you as well. Albino Rhino chopping about here. This is nothing I'm interested in. Good morning, Otter fan. Mo too. Our Pink, Poor Crypto Steve, Albino Rhino, Otter, gang. Pink's in the house. French Toaster. Crypto Billy's in the house, man. Good morning, Crypto Billy. You up awfully early. You always catching that worm, man. You always catching the worm. Good to see you, brother. Gains for life. What's going on? Guys, make sure you guys go and check out Billy Goat Tales, friends of the family. Darren does things with the shower, man. I forgot what the shower was again. That's already slipped my mind. Remind me. My fat thumb smashed the wrong one, says Jesse. Good luck. Ernie, good morning to you. Decatur, good morning, gang. Shredder is my name in English. Good morning, Shredder. Where's I hope you don't kick all the Ninja Turtles' asses, man. Splinter's a good person. Shout out to Splinter and Shredder. What's going on? Donato Cabrera. What's going on? J Violet, Razor, Ondo, BC Bortcorp. What's going on, bro? Yassine, J Violet, Anonymous Buck, Al Jr., Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Guilherme Marcal. What's going on, my friend? Looking for an SFP down in here. Okay, we'll see how it goes. T Gang Way. I don't know about this tea thing. How did you mess it up? Did it? I told this story, so we're good. I only drink tea when I'm sick. Well, you sick nasty. You sick nasty, man. That's sick. I'm unsubscribing. I don't blame Anonymous. I don't blame you. This is a non-coffee advice today. It's literally non-coffee advice today. Okay, I've only had one, and that's definitely Alex, order a Melita espresso machine. I can't do the machine thing, man. I can't leave my life in the hands of a machine to I guess if you have like the iron lung machine you can, but with coffee, it's like there's a little bit of a control problem there with me. Even letting my wife make a coffee, she's not even allowed to touch my first one. It's probably bad. See, like I'd like to get long off here, Golden Pocket area, but it's really failing to show strengths, right? So there's like no trade here, right? You see the push up, the rollover, right? The higher high. So this was justifiable, right? So we're looking for a continuation here, right? Because you have made a higher high on a short-term time frame, and you're looking for this thing to bounce, right? That's typically how price action works, right? So you're breaking down. You put in a higher low, break a structure, break down, symmetrical triangle, and this is probably going to push up. But in my opinion, it's had its chance, right? I got long here. Okay. Not saying it's not going to happen, but to me, a stronger trade would be if we pushed out of here, created a higher high, broke this, and then retested this trend line and looked to push up. We do have a big order block within this area here that, we could look to get, but the trend is down, so we want to favor shorts right now. I'm looking for it to push up into here and to drop it down. We do have some nice liquidity down here at 99,980. Okay, and that's the previous low that I'm interested in. Okay, we'll keep our eyes on the prize. As you can see, we are holding up this critical. Okay, you see this dotted line here, this critical support level. Will we hold it? We'll have to wait and see. Okay, obviously breaking down overnight and making everybody cry. My portfolio is down. I feel you. It's okay. We'll be all right. We'll press bright. The thing is like I always say to you guys, you got to separate your HODL bags from your trading bags, right? Tastes naughty. Chadwick, a little naughty, Basil. I have some Colombian coffee right. Stop it, Toaster, man. Why are you doing that? He probably has a nice piece of toast, too. How did you draw the golden pocket on BTC? Can't find it. Okay. Low to high. Okay, and then you got it. When it's short-term time frames, I always put a box within the 786. Okay, so continue down. There's no trade. You got a little bounce off the 786. You take the trade there. You go. You don't trade it as it's falling. You trade it as it's bouncing. If it's holding, kind of deal. Okay. Just patience now. Patience will prevail. I love an espresso beans. Let's go. French toaster, roaming brave. Good morning to you, Marion. Good morning to you, Tim Tortellini. What's going on? Justin Eubanks, iBanks, you all bank. What's going on, R.S. Miller? You know, there's a competition going on. I think Jay Violet wants a wrench, but I think R.S. Miller is going to get the wrench next. If someone's going to get a wrench, it's going to be probably Miller. We'll have to see. He's got his own emoji. Okay, he's got his own emoji. We'll have to wait and see. I don't know if we're a decaf. Yuck, yeah. I ain't touching that with the 10-foot pole. Good morning, Alex. The low is near. Then for the real money, John. I agree. I do believe it's kind of a now or never moment for Bitcoin. Like it's we either sweep this low, so we break down and then we go, or we go from here, maybe this, okay, or just this, right? But we're very. If we get acceptance below $100,000, we're going to the bottom of the range, which is at 92,000. Ta-da. Okay? Sorry. Unsubscribe. Or subscribe if you do want to be the 6,000th subscriber. My God. That'd be pretty cool, eh? 5,997. You guys been teasing me all week. You guys been unsubscribing, resubscribing. We are so close. We are so close. I don't know if we'll get there. Maybe today. Retail ran away though, man. The views have gone woo because retail is just disappearing. But we do have 190 people, so you can help out just by otter slapping that like button. I think that helps, and maybe spamming the chat. That would be good too. Spamming the chat. Good morning. Make sure you say good morning, everybody. I do appreciate it. Good morning, Brian Rose. Good morning, Mama Bull. Good to see you. Patrick Swayze. Good morning to you guys. Looks like a rollover here, right? This doesn't look strong. This looks pretty weak. Paul Caruso, what's going on? Billy Baines, yo, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Good morning, Mark Dutch. Good morning, Jay Violet. You guys are 10,000 subs before the end of January. I would have shaved my beard, but it's not going to happen now. Not going to happen now. Sideways actions are the most boring times. I agree. But it's caffeine. Reaper, good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you, Reaper. Maxwell, good morning, Otters. Good to see you as well. Maxwell, BBL. Okay. Rashad, Chantel, good morning, gang. Good to see you, Chantel. Poor Crypto Steve, good morning to you. Jay Violet, Gains for Life. What's going on? Oh, I thought it was Birmingham. She's West Midlands, so she's like her family's from a small town. So she's like an hour, I think, from Birmingham. They always make fun of the way I say things. Detroit, they call it. What do they call it? They don't call it Detroit. They call it Detroit. I think they call it Detroit. And like it's funny because like Detroit was in England first, right? So we can't say shit. Mickey, good morning. Oh, I didn't share this out. I'm sorry. I keep forgetting to share this out to the Discord. I'm doing a terrible job as like I guess a YouTuber. Good thing I'm a good trader. All right. There it is. I shared it in the Discord. Now I got to share it on the X place. That X thing, the Twitter thingy. All right. I'm going to do that now. Say, let's go. Let's go. I don't know. I think I'm my own worst enemy with the promotions and the advertisements and the making fun of people's open mouth thumbnails. How many Bitcoin to zero thumbnails are this morning? You know what I don't get? Okay, this is one thing I don't get. is why people in trading, okay? Why do people in trading try to like look good? Like, so like if I went and like if I shaved and I did my hair nice and I like dressed really like, I don't know, attractively, I don't know. But like I'm streaming to like 97% men. You know what I mean? Like I'm not I apologize to the ladies, but I'm streaming. I ain't trying to look good for Tony Soprano. I tell you that much. Yeah, lots of scary faces on. I'm just scamming through YouTube, but it's like, I mean, looking good for yourself, being presentable, not looking like an absolute hobo is one thing, okay? But trying to like, hey man, look at my clean teeth and I mean my pretty hair. I ain't trying to look pretty for Mark Dutch, okay? That's Jesse's job. Where's Jesse and Mark Dutch? We need to make you guys hold hands this whole live stream. What's a good source to learn smart money concepts? Go and hit up Brewberry, man. Brewberry is a great smart money concept trader. Okay, in the Discord, Brewberry is top notch, man. Top notch. He has some videos on his mitigation, structure, okay, sweep of the lows, supply and demand. There's also a good course. It is quite expensive. White Phoenix on Jason Casper. Jason Casper, White Phoenix. I'd recommend that as well. White Phoenix, yeah. White Phoenix course, Jason Casper. I believe that's a good place. I've done that course too. It's good. Good to see everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Rodney, good morning to you. Gains for Life, Tim. We got a little bit of a shoe pattern here. Okay, what is a shoe pattern? It's an SFP with a dragged out lower low. Okay, so you get something like this where you go boop and then you go boop and it looks like a shoe. Okay, I just call it it's like a stiletto. Looks something like that. Happens quite often. It's very tradable too. You trade it on the break of the higher low. So if it comes down like this, right? You trade it on the break and then the continuation. You definitely want to see liquidity grab though. So you would like to see strength in this move down here and then a pop, but nothing yet. Okay. You could also look at this as a stiletto pattern too on a higher term time frame. So we could sweep into here and then pop, which is nice. I love that trade. This is one of my favorite trades is when we do get a sweep of the low and a bounce and you just take the higher low. Okay. Took that yesterday. That was a pretty good trade. So you do this, then you chop, and then you go whoop, and then you bounce, and you take that higher low there, stop loss below the low. It's a very lucrative trading setup. That was right over here we had. If we zoom in right here, where was it? We took it on the live yesterday, right? Yeah, right here. You had the boop, and then the higher low. You take that long right there. Break of the down trend and continuation up to the high here. Nice trade setup. Works out quite nice. You just got to be patient. You can't rush it. Got to wait for that higher low. Okay, looks like we got a little sweep in here. Volume picking up a little bit. Let's be patient. We didn't come down for the low yet. Okay? There's still room to the downside here in my opinion. So we have a low right here at 101, and we have this low here. We didn't even tap it. Okay, so this could bounce, but I don't like it. I don't like it. Thank you, everybody, for being on here, hanging out. Come on, subscribe now. Rashad in the house. Good to see you. Smash the like button. Oh, my God. Did we get R.S. Miller? My man. R.S. Miller with the collie. God bless you, bro. Thank you for supporting the channel. Always coming through, man. See you. Good morning. Good to see you, Mickey. Black Ice. Good morning, Albino Rhino. Okay, we're getting a little pushback here off this sweep, but I think it's a bit rushed. It looks a bit rushed. I don't necessarily like this. Why didn't it come here? Right? This is where I would want to go if I was a market maker. At least something like that, right? I should save this so it's thinner. Is that 1%? My God, that is. Okay. Save your templates, right? It always helps you to understand, can you fit in your trading strategy? Like for me, you guys know 0.3 to make 1%. Does it work, right? It's bounce out of here. Really not interested in that bounce. I let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Heath, good morning. Good to see you, man. Barefoot Sailing, good morning. Good to see you as well. Kalut, Army Piper. Like smacked, slapped, crushed, and tickled. Let's go. Joshua the Josh Man. Ginny, good morning. Good to see you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. French Toaster, Captain Pancakes. I love the name, man. Kuru-sama. Good morning, Vietnam. Let's go. See? The volume is good in that. Okay, the volume is good. Am I going to regret this? Not longing this really pathetic SFP? I'm probably going to regret it, right? If we break a high here, like that's the thing. We say be patient, right? So like higher, lower high, lower high, lower high. So if we break this structure, right, we look for a continuation out. That's very, very possible, right? They're not, people are shorting this. These swing trader people, they're all shorting it. And eventually they'll get theirs. That's what I would like to see. And we'll wait. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. Gains for life. Good to see you as well. G Corp, good morning to you. Mama Bull, Max Wild. Great place to learn to short. Too short. Yeah, too short. Good morning, gang. Good morning. Tool Hoodie is back. Yeah, man. I had to switch it up. See, I was over trading, man. I think I did some reflecting yesterday. Like I've been profitable the last 3 days. Very profitable. Very nice. Very great. But man, I've been taking like 8 trades a day, man. It's like, calm down, man. It's I had like a very bad headache yesterday. Tension. Like I teach with Army Piper, and it was like really bad. Like I couldn't even sleep last night because I was like, my head hurt so much, and it's still not too good. But I stream, then I teach, then I teach, then I teach, then I teach. Okay. Yesterday I streamed, had some breakfast, then I taught in Chart Prime, then I taught in my Discord, then I taught for Kyle's community, then I taught with Banter's community. That was my day yesterday. Holy shit. I tell you, man. I think I'm a bit overextended. But cool trading, brother. Thank you for being your SOT. Jeffrey Stone Safer. Are we going to get through this list? My God, you guys are crazy. 6,000 subs. Did we hit it? Your video cannot be monetized. Dismiss. I like demonetization. Are we ready? Dun 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 dun. Oh, let's go! Oh man! Thank you, guys. This is fucking cool, man. This is fucking cool. I'm gonna swear. I don't care. Oh man! Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, supporting the channel. God bless you. Let's go, baby. So, I don't know. What are we giving away, man? You guys want money? You guys want memberships? Do some memberships. I don't know. Couple memberships. TA in a suit. That's the one. My family's from Cambridge. Maybe we should have taken the long, eh, everyone? Holy smokes, that SFP. It's pushing. It's pushing. Nah, it's not. It's slow motion. Okay, everybody's getting a little bit puckered, and they're not sure what they want. Okay, they're not sure what they want. I think we go lower. What do you guys think? Lower? Higher? You guys got to tell me. I need to know. Thank you, everybody, for the 6,000 subs. About the milk. 97 gay men. Yeah, that's it, man. I watch for your looks. I find easier scalping degenerate meme coins than scalping BTC at the moment. That's okay. Are you guys all into me looking good? Good morning, Tamale. Good to see you, Jeru, Reaper, Pervade, Music. Oh man, good to see you, Andrew F. We got some amazing plungers in the chat. 250 people in here. We just hit 6,000 subscribers, man. We just hit 6,000 subscribers. I don't even know what to say. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you, guys. 6K, man. Pretty wild. You guys are impressive. Look at this. Bitcoin breaking out. I guess we should have got long, eh? Look at this. SFP. Utterberry. Yeah. He's a kung fu master. Jason's pretty expensive, yeah. 90 saves. I think 90 saves hitting. Look at this pump, baby. No FOMO here. There's your higher high. Okay. There's your higher high. I use Bybit perpetual contract graph because, well, first we trade on it, and it's got the most data, man. It's got the most volume. It's the most accurate, in my opinion. So I always use Bybit. Okay, coming back, retesting in here. Don't chase this price, please. That was squeezing shorts. Squeezing shorts in here. We'll see if it does come back down. A big push up here. We're getting some volume. Retest of previous high. Do we just have news? It's got to be news driven. No news. Unless it's like, we pumping big. 8:30. Jobless claims coming in very positive. Possibly the jobless claims. Oh my God. Jobless claims pumping the market? I don't know if I've ever seen this. Dixie dying? No. NASDAQ pumping? No. Jobless claims. Really? Really? Okay. Bitcoin likes people having jobs, I guess. That's fair play. That's fair play. Ripping to the upside right now. I normally never miss news stuff. My God. Okay. Jobless claims. Everybody here is unemployed. We don't care about jobless claims. Everybody here is just hanging out on their chair, wanting to make some degenerate cryptocurrency money, man. Initial jobless claims in the United States increased to 223,000 in the week ending January 18th from 2025 from 217,000 in the previous weeks, okay? Initial jobless claims in the United States averaged, blah, 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 reaching an all-time high of, okay, so it's gone up from being, actually it was in a downtrend. Look at the downtrend in here. So you can see it's in a downtrend ever since basically December. Coming down, 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 down. And this is actually like a significant boost in comparison to the previous one. So I guess they're happy about that. We got a big push up in here. So I guess we should have got long off this silly little sweep, but we wait. We wait. We can look for a revisit of previous highs in here. But let's remember, right? What happens? We get news at 8:30. And then what? We got to wait all the way till 9:30 till it decides to do something, right? Got to wait all the way till here. So what do you think we're going to get? I think they come back and then they come back and then they go. Okay. Retest the previous highs here. Continuation out. Everybody's looking for this trade. It's not something I'm taking. Not something I'm taking. Okay. That's the thing with news at 8:30, right? News at 8:30 into market open is sometimes just a load of a crock of poop. As nice as I can say it. I think waiting is the way. 6K, let's go. Good to see you guys. Everybody in here. Lucky deal. What's going on? Good morning. Wild berries. NQ is going to push today. Yeah, NQ is retraced quite nicely. Right? Quite nicely. Breakout, retest, continuation here. I mean, we could do it. Anybody in the long? Let me know. Lunar Beaches, Crypto CT, good morning. Retro Mike Tech, what's going on? Merc, good to see you. We just hit 6,000 subscribers, man. It's take magnesium. I don't take do I take magnesium? I take fish oil. I take vitamin D. Insert joke there. It's pressure from the weather giving you a headache. Okay. This is the playoffs. Let's go. Yes, magnesium. And you get paid more to trade for other companies than what you charge for your own community. You are a legend. Yeah, I know, right? It's wild. My Discord's so cheap. And it's full of alpha. It's so cheap. I feel like it's too cheap sometimes. But, you know, I want everybody to have an opportunity to learn. We got 4 amazing traders, trade setups, Discord calls. Yeah, maybe it is too cheap. Then Tony Soprano wouldn't have to kick so many people. Probably is. Great people. I mean, I'm watching the hockey game last night and I'm responding to messages. Okay? That's just how I am, though. That's just how I am. I just try to help everybody out. My mods say I need to take a break, but I don't feel like it. Not yet. I'm going to Vegas and then I'm going to the UK in July. So I'll be away for like a week and stuff like that. I'll take my breaks. For now, we're going to Valhalla. We keep pushing. Keep pushing. I love showing up for you guys. If I didn't enjoy it, I wouldn't be here. That's all I got to say, right? Deck, what's going on? Heath, good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for the congratulations. We'll give away a couple memberships today. Onwards to 60K. Oh, right. Yeah, right. If I hit 60K one day, I don't know. I'm going to have to give away, like, mad money. Can you shave part of your beard for that? Yeah, just the mutton chops, right? Just the mutton chops. That'd be fun. Discord membership. Let's go, Oliver. Is T close to P on a keyboard? No, it isn't. That's unacceptable. Yassine says membership, please. I want a boat. Okay. I'm trying to find Alexandra G's super chat. What? 68 from Retro Mike Tech. My God. What do I do with these people? They're too kind. We'll keep that on our chart so we don't forget. Breakout continuation here. Bitcoin ripping, baby. Look at this thing. Anybody in the long? Anybody in that long? Dang it. Dang it. We could have had it early. Jobless claims, yeah. $20 super chat from Alexandra G. Go. God bless you. Thank you, Alexandra G. Let's see some RMT emojis and some Alexandra G emojis in the chat. I'd appreciate that. Thank you guys for always supporting the channel, being here forever. You guys are great. Discord memberships giveaway. Yes, they grow up so fast. Membership would be cool. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. We at 786. We'll do the memberships at the end. We're here to trade, right? I want to make some money, man. I never miss news, man. I never miss news, but look at this. No reason to chase price right now. Coming into this order block. Poor risk to reward. Breakout, retest, continuation right now. Tony Soprano puts pressure on the Fed to cut rates. That's good. Cut it, baby. Cut it. Trump did something good for crypto. Who knows, man? Who knows? This tends to lower inflation. That's good. So many smart people in here. So many smart people. I love you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Cluck, cluck. What's going on? Crypto. Boyo. AC, good morning to you. Am I ever going to get through this list? 10 gifted memberships. Crypto Pollo. Welcome to the gang. Ben Sands. Gluten. Ben Sands Gluten. Welcome, man. Thank you for being here. Throw some otters in the chat. Or better yet, throw some chickens in the chat. Crypto Pollo, man. You guys are incredible. Good morning to everybody in here. And if I've missed you, you could say good morning again. I'm going to scroll down and try to catch up to this chat. What happened to Alexandra G? She's just an amazing lady. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Alexandra G. Crypto Pollo. Let's see all the lurkers. Pan Yam on video. Welcome, ya lurker. God. Good morning. Good to see you. JD, what's going on? Wix White, fine 89. Tyron, good morning. Scott Adams, I don't know. I think Scott Adams has said hello. Brushing Life, Lurker, what's going on, man? Crypto Badell. Lurker, Devin Pace, Lurker, let's go. Good morning, Crypto Trader, XXX. He's definitely trading that cock in you. Only in crypto. Turgay. Memo glue. Meme glue. Turgay meme glue. Meme glue. Meme glue. Lurker. Ronnie, what's going on, brother? Good to see you, bro. Long time family. Matrix, what's going on? 10. Oh, that's a lot of indicators. I mean, I could put on some more for you if you'd like. Here we go. Hold up. I forgot VWAP. Thank you for being here, everybody. Lucky deal. Balloon dog forming. That's the balloon dog. You know it. And we get the head here. That's all we need is the head. Good morning, lurkers. Lunar Beaches, Crypto, 10 gifted memberships. You guys are spoiling me today, man. I should have given you guys the long from here. Lunar Beaches, Crypto. LBC in the chat, man. Go and check out Lunar Beaches, Crypto. Amazing, amazing person. Crypto Pollo, another amazing person. These guys are all family. Nick Young, good morning, Reaper. Absar, Lurker. John Appleseed. I love that. That's a great name, Lurker. Rav P, Lurker. Xsin, Lurker. Road Glide, Lurker. Loco Robot Riddle, definitely a lurker. I would never miss that name. Oh, man. Too good, man. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here. Ron Johns Jr., good morning to you. LBC, gang. You guys are incredible. Thank you all for being here. Chadwick's Racing, never getting. I think you have to enable to be able to be gifted. Maybe that's it, Chadwick. I don't know. I think you have to enable it. That is odd, though, my friend. Death Cross. Ooh, you guys are scaring me, Drew. Wayne C., good morning, Lux, bro. Can you please talk about the indicators you're using? Yeah, they're tools that help me press buy and sell successfully on a daily basis. 6,000 subs today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Oh, my God. RS Miller, we're coming into VWAP here, getting a little bit of a rejection into the order block. Okay. Continuation off of this jobless claims pump. We'll see if we do continue here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Thank you for everybody gifting. Memberships, Pollo, Beaches, everybody else. RS Miller. Let's see some RS Miller. Beautiful puppies in the chat. Crypto Mar, Crypto Wanderer, the Ox the Doctor, a little bit of a lurker. Nick Elgard, Andy Lee, good to see you. Curtis Neal, good to see you as well. Josh Jacobs, Luna Moon. Piano Matty B's in the chat. What's going on? PMB's in the chat, man. God bless you, bro. Guys, go check out Piano Matty B as well. An amazing streamer. An amazing artist as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Andrea, SRT, Zagol, Tom Crown in the chat. I mean, if you're not following Tom Crown, give your head a shake. Give your head a shake. My God. Donato Cabrera. We just hit 6,000 subscribers today. So proud of being, here with you guys. Greg F. Leva Life. Coming up to VWAP. We'll see if we get a rejection here. Order block above us here. Off the jobless claims, right? Jobless claims pushing us up. Souse. Good morning. RM Remedy. What's going on? Xander. God. Good morning to you guys. Meow, 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 meow. Good to see you. I like chicken. I like liver. Meow, mix, please deliver. Incredible. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live here. You guys are top notch, man. Top notch. Well, we're continuing to rip here, right? Breaking structure to the upside. We'll see if we do continue to push up. If Tom Crown is in your chat, you're doing something right. Tom Crown is absolute legend, man. Coming up to VWAP rejection here. Swing failure pattern. Okay, we said we shouldn't get long here because we were looking for the liquidity below, right? Like looking for that mitigation down here. Didn't happen. Okay, we could have. No, we longed here. We didn't long here. And we are watching it. I think the past 2 or 3 live streams we've taken too many trades, and that's over trading is sometimes, especially when you get the volatility of the market right now. It's like everything looks juicy, and it's not necessarily a good idea. Okay, it's not necessarily. So, trying to really practice good risk management, taking less trades, taking A+ setups is kind of critical in situations like this, right? So looking for the rejection out of this order block, possibly come back down, retest, previous highs, back into this area. A lot of liquidity created here without really revisiting. Okay, so whenever you're getting price action, that's pretty much straight, even on a 3-minute time frame. When it's straight on a 3-minute time frame, it's like, okay, push through, VWAP, retest, continuation. Trade we typically take on this channel. Just too overextended right now, in my opinion. We'll see how it cools off into the market open. We could expect a little push from NASDAQ, but NASDAQ is getting a little bit of a rejection right now. So flagging out, looking like it wants to break down. Lots of liquidity below us here. So keeping that in mind. Obviously, Bitcoin loves the jobless claim. So we'll see if it does continue here. A little bit, not disappointed with not taking the long, but, you'll win some, you lose some. You got to be okay with that. Thank you, everybody, for being here, subscribing to the channel. We just hit 6,000 subs. We'll do a couple of free memberships at the end of the stream today. And we'll also be giving away 60 ADA, okay, which is pretty incredible as well. So, and I'll DM the winner for the 60 ADA as well from Retro Mike Tech. Don't let me forget that, okay? Don't let me forget that because, RMT is so kind. If you're not following any of these creators in here, you got to give your head a shake. We got Piano Matic B, we got Lunar Beaches Crypto, we got Tom Crown, we have Retro Mike Tech, okay? We have Billy Goat Tails in here. Amazing group of people. Piper Academy as well. Okay, a bunch of great people in here just really showing up. And, I don't typically recommend people, but, the company you keep is so important, right? You want honest and transparent, good people in your corner, especially in crypto. I mean, it's full of degenerate wackos. So, how can I message? Just come into the Discord, man. There's a chat with Alex box. You can just come and say, hey, Alex, you're short. You just come in here. It's like, ask Alex anything. Hey, man. Hey, Alex. At Alex. How tall are you? All right, and I'll go 5'4" on a good day. All right? You can come chat with me in the Discord. Okay? You guys are just giving away. Who has time to give away all these things to people? Chapter 1, NFT from our project. Oh my God, you guys are crazy. Wick's wife in the chat. I don't know if I can handle all of you giveaways. Okay, filling in this order block, coming back down now. Okay. Looking for a retest back in here. We'll see if we get it. Market open in 40 minutes. What goes up must come down. That's why you don't buy the tops. That's why you don't chase price, okay? Volume level in here, retesting previous highs. We'll see if we do continue from here. Oh, little pop back up here. Little pop back up here. I'll look for continuation probably into this candle here. We really want to get into the minutia of it, 1 minute time frame. We're looking, see a little order block in here. Very, very small order block, but nonetheless, we wait. Okay, rejection off of VWAP, no follow through. Okay, typically VWAP trading. Okay, I want to see follow through. No follow through, obviously overextended here. Disconnect as resistance now and break us down now. Break us down now. So we wait. We wait. We'll see how it reacts. Remember, news driven data is typically, news, right? And then you do something like this. Look for bottoming structure, and then we can possibly get long on the continuation of the news data. But data. I don't know what you call it. That thing, okay? Patience. Patience will prevail, as always, okay? We try to take the best trade setups we possibly can. This was the setup this morning. Didn't take it. Try not to overtrade. I think we've been overzealous the last couple of days. So what is your biggest struggle with trading? Mine right now is not having a good coffee. That is definitely where I'm at. I'm going to text my wife. I need a better coffee. Is that bad? Unless you guys want me to leave. I can leave if you want. I mean, I need coffee. Yes. I love you. I'm one of those guys. Mushy. I'm mushy. I mean, I have the best wife in the world. I don't care what you say, man. My wife's a smoke show. She's a great mother. She's a hard worker. She's thorough. She does the things that I hate doing, like emails and calling things, and she keeps us organized. She keeps my my stomach full. She makes my life. She makes my wiener hard and my life not hard. You know what I mean? It's one of those. This is great. I'm very, very fortunate to have such a great woman in my life. Mrs. Otter, man. Sweetheart. Anyways, I won't talk about my wife this whole time. Let's make some money. So, across the board, there's a whole bunch of issues here. You guys all have issues, and don't we all? And that's okay. So, everybody who's answered something in here, you need to journal, okay? Number one, you need to journal. You need to reflect on your trading. You're going to be able to identify actually what's going on, right? And you're going to see a pattern, okay? For me, I'm good at entering. I'm very good at entering, as you guys have seen. However, holding my trades, a little bit of a struggle right now, okay? So for me, there's some tools that I use to hold trades longer. Sometimes it's just like, don't be such a wimp. Just hold the damn trade, right? Believe in your TA. Also, it's like over trading. That's on the list today because, we've been over trading recently, right? We took 7 trades yesterday, 7 trades the day before. Great profitable days, but like high stress, man. Especially when you get like 2 losses and you're like, oh man, shouldn't have taken those ones. Got to get it back, right? And it's not exactly revenge trading, but it's a form of it, right? It's a form of it. Like you take a loss, you get on to the next trade. You have a loss rule, so you're take a couple losses. My loss rule is 3 typically, full-size positions. 3 full-size positions, $900. You're done. You're cut. Go and have a nap. Okay? But it's always important to reflect. You need to reflect. You need to journal. You need to see, hey, what was my thought here, right? Okay, coming in here, we took the long here, 786, retest, continuation, got out at the top, very good trade. Got in here, got out here, started the stream. Shouldn't be trading when you're starting the stream, right? A little quick mitigation of the low here. Could have looked for the long. No, came back. We were looking lower, right? We were looking for the mitigation of this low. We didn't even get it, okay? Pumped on news data. Now we're feeling FOMO. Prices pushed up into VWAP, getting rejected, failure to break down. Now we're looking for this downtrend to possibly be retested. First stop, previous highs. Next stop, previous highs, okay? Once we get an established top here, I'm going to pull a fib to try and find our retracement level. Probably going to be somewhere in here, okay? If this, then that. We always want to practice good risk management. We got the balloon dog in here, as pointed out, okay? I see a balloon dog. I don't know about you guys. This looks like a balloon dog. You got. I'll draw it out for you guys if you really want me to. I've done it a million times, but there's your balloon dog, okay? Double bottom, bull flag, right? Double bottom, bull flag. Looking for this to continue. If it holds VWAP and it consolidates here in this order block, holding this order block, then we can look for continuation to the upside. Nothing yet, okay? Nothing yet. Very overextended, in my opinion. Leaving everybody in this. Big bull div in here. Okay, on a higher term time frame, trying to push out and onwards. Look at it go, right? Look at it go. So I'm not going to chase this right now. I'm just going to be patient. Patient's going to wait. If you are new here and you do want to take your trading further, we do have an amazing Discord, $30 a month, $1 a day. We have a sale right now for amazing traders, setups, signals, live streams. Incredible. Okay. Rats, beautiful swing trade here by Thesis. Brewberry, beautiful Solana trade. Beautiful injective trade. Look at the injective trade, man. Money maker. Wait, is that it? Anyways, right there. Boom. Dropping like it's hot, baby. Okay. Got Kyle with a beautiful render trade. Crushing it. Everybody got rich off that one. I mean, you guys know. An amazing community just trying to help you all be profitable. 370 people in here. You guys are awesome, incredible. We just hit 6,000 subscribers today. I'm very grateful for every one of you coming through, hanging out. It's always an honor and a privilege to show up and try to crush the trades with you guys. It's never an easy job, but it's always fun. I always enjoy it. Bitcoin, ripping to the upside. Maybe we should have FOMO'd in, right? Maybe we should have FOMO'd in. Not for me. Let me know if you are in the long, though. I'd love to recognize all the people who are winning. People are probably short from the top, too, man. I love seeing you guys win. You guys are absolutely incredible. So thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and hanging out with me. I do appreciate you guys. Over trading, not waiting. Yeah, okay. What's the string coming out of your coffee mug? Jasmine. Jasmine tea. It's not coffee today. Don't remind me. Oh, Wick 589. My coffee is $20 a pound. It's the only thing that wakes me up. Yeah, man. I get it. Chat did bro one in life. She puts up with me, absolutely. Revenge trading. Yeah. For me, it's also like it's hard to watch this happen and not be in a trade, right? You guys feel it too? Stomach full, balls empty. Best life ever. That's right, man. That's right, man. You guys are hilarious, man. I live in a mansion. No, not true. All Amy's are amazing. It's the law of the universe. Yes. I think Piper's wife's name is Amy as well. Holding wins is the hardest part. Hardest part. It's only mental, to be honest. Confidence is missing, but flight hours. Yeah. Big wick to the upside here. Big wick energy. Big wick energy. Now we have held VWAP here, so now it's a nice flip of VWAP. Taking this order block. This order block is now eliminated. Now we're not only are we interested in mitigating highs now, so we just did this one. Oh, we missed it. But we're interested in this one. This one is really nice. I like this one here. So if I am looking for a short, it's probably up in here. Okay. And if I am looking for the long, it's the hold of the VWAP now. I'm looking for VWAP to actually hold and do its job. Concerning is the liquidity below. All right. So we really want, I mean, this thing could just, we know price action, right? What's the environment lately? Right? Ask yourself that, right? It's whipsawing, okay? Look at yesterday. This was an absolute gong show, a 1% whipsaw show. Look at this. Bing, bong, bing, ding, dong, ding, right? That was yesterday. And this is no namby-pamby percentage. This is a 1.5% range of whipsawing, okay? Whipsawing. Now, where is 1.5% from here? Well, guess what? That's the lows. That's the lows. So if you're on the long, pay yourself. Okay? Pay yourself. We're overextended. 100% right now. Okay? If you lose VWAP and you retest VWAP, we'll short it. We'll short it to the ground. Okay? But we are very overextended right now. So be patient. But thank you, everybody, for being here. Hanging out with me. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every day. Monday to Friday. I guess that's not every day. Get it right, Alex. Look at Goat. Bah. Billy Goat Tails. Jobless claims. Yeah, pumping the news. Balloon Dog means long or short most of the time. Balloon Dog's long. See, Balloon Dog would have had to flag out down here. It didn't do it down here. Now this is just like a flamingo, I guess you'd say. The flamingo patterns. There's been a lot of those where it's like, you know, it's just nasty price action. I wish this was inverted, facing the other way, you know? Is there a dog pattern in here? I guess it's not the appropriate time to be looking for dog patterns in here. There's definitely an otter, though. I used to spin the otter. Which direction are we going to go? Those were the days. Remember that, Tony Soprano? Which way do you think price is going to go today? Down. Okay. Good fun, man. Good fun. Memories. You got to start somewhere, right? All right, coming down here, blow off top. Coming to VWAP. We'll see if it bounces. If it loses VWAP, we're looking for a blow through, continuation, and down. Or we could look for it to hold as support. So we're very much in a make or break situation here. We have half an hour till market opens. I would think this is coming down. Like, does this look sustainable to you coming out of these lows? Not really, right? Not really. So we'll see. We got 375 people in here, man. That's crazy. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. We're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away 3 months memberships. Yeah, 2 3 months, because that makes 6, which is 6,000 subscribers. So 2 3 month memberships. And then RMT's giving away 60 ADA. And Pollo's giving away some Billy Goat Tail thing of chapter 1 or something like that. Incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here. What did my wife message me back? I don't know if she's up with the kid yet. She hasn't messaged me back. We're in dire straits here, man. What do you think about Lily AI? No idea. I'm so busy, Pollo. I don't even know what I'm doing. I just teach, try to make money, take care of my kid. You're in it. You guys are long on ETH? Okay, nice. I was looking for a long on ETH, man. Oh, just ETH is just garbage, man. I gave a warning to the Discord, but I said, I'm not in this yet. Gotta see confirmed like high. You got a higher high in here on ETH, looking to push up, but ETH looks like shit. I'm sorry to say it, man. It does. NASDAQ flagging out here, but pushing back, which is good. S&P's opened up. This looks like it's rolling over, doesn't it? Right? I would say retesting back in here at least. Minimum. We do have this very, very strong momentum line coming in here. However, it looks to have been cracked, right? So you're typically coming back into here. Ethereum's just upsetting, isn't it? I mean, Solana's just kicking Ethereum's ass, man. It's like Mike Tyson not throwing punches versus Jake Paul. It's like it's upsetting. It's upsetting. He's pulling his punches, Don't worry, man. I won't hit you too hard, but we'll make money. Put a one in the chat if Mike Tyson was pulling his punches against Jake Paul. That was the worst fight ever, man. It's embarrassment. Jake Paul. My God. Looks suspiciously. However, so we're not taking the low at 101. Yeah, that's the thing, right? We're looking at that low right here, man. Looking at that low. That's the golden trade, right? You come down, you sweep, you chop around, you liquidity grab, you bounce, you take the higher low, and you get long. That is the golden trade I love to take. I love taking that trade. Didn't do it, right? It did it here. Like it did it like a friggin' the Hobbit version of that trade, right? It pushed down, it bounced, it came around, and it did it here, right? It did a wee Hobbits version of it. Looks like we're holding VWAP here. Let's go in the 1 minute. Holding VWAP here. We didn't mitigate this high at 102. I would like to see it do that at least. At least. Order block down here, I think it's juicy. If this is a high, yeah, we're looking in here. Order block, golden pocket. We're not looking at 786 just yet. Still got upward structure here, right? We're still making higher lows. Looking very toppy though, bearish divergence in here, right? So with a push up like this, right? You get bear divs. Sometimes you get 3 drives, right? But it's hard to wait for, but you got to wait for the low. You got to wait for the break of structure. You can't just press sell in here, especially after that bullish news. Okay, and that's 1 minute. Look at the 2 minute or 3 minute. Holding the lows, pushing back up, blow off top. No bearish divergence. Okay, so time frame is so important, right? If we're flipping through the catalog today, what can we see? Okay, so I typically prioritize the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. We can see that even yesterday we said the 4 hours looking overextended, rolling over. What happened? It rolled over. Okay, VWAP's looking to push up now, and this looks like we could have some hopium here coming in the 4 hour with continuous money flow to the upside. So this is looking good on the 4 hour for a potential bounce, okay? Especially with the bullish news. However, I hate this low, okay? I hate it. I would have liked to see something like that, but you don't always get what you want, right? If the trend is to change, we'll jump on the trend, okay? The 3 hour crossing the 0 line, the 2 hour has crossed, green dot printing, trying to push back up here, okay? Nothing yet. The 1 hour, same thing. We got money trying to come back in. We got bottoming structure here. We got bullish divergence within here, okay? Making lower lows and higher lows on our 1 hour, trying to push price up, coming back, grabbing some liquidity. Hasn't grabbed the liquidity out of these highs just yet. So I would anticipate at least a retrace back into the middle of this area in here before we actually go, if we're going to go, okay? I'm not saying that we have to go, but if we do lose the liquidity down here at 100,000, we're definitely coming back within the range below us, okay? There's a bunch of long-term time frames that are printing. I believe it's the 2-day. Is it the 2-day? Yeah, so the 2-day prints coming in, right? VWAP, want to see the VWAP bounce, okay? That's going to be ideal, but this candle is pretty nasty coming down in here. And the 3-day, it's got a day still. So the 3-day is still creeping up, and same thing. We want to see the VWAP bounce within this area. So, you know, the higher term time frames, the weekly is not looking too good. Big blow off candle to the upside. So patience will prevail. Big downtrend. Lots of liquidity in the highs all the way up here, right, for us to come and get. Okay. But also liquidity in these lows after the Donald Trump shenanigans, right? So coming for these lows, we haven't even done so yet. We were looking in here earlier on, but right now this would be the liquidity that we're still interested in, which is right around 99,800. Okay, so we'll see if we do get there, but look at this, blowing through VWAP, right? So this is why we're not buying tops, right? Just not a good decision to make. So through VWAP here, coming back down, could be looking for a possible short here now. Breaking structure, rolling over. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 391 people here. 157 likes. That's pretty good. I think that's good enough for today. Thank you, everybody. We have we just hit 6,000 subscribers today. Thank you guys so much. I do appreciate your support. I continue to show up. That's it. That's it. I'm just honest, transparent, try to be as see-through as possible, right? French Toaster feels it. What's going on? Trend is your friend. Good morning. F1, good morning, man. Good to see you. Shark Fin. Whip Shine. Yeah, that's the one. My indicators are telling me there's some still momentum to the upside. Yeah. I think as long as we're above $100,000, we're still going up. Okay, that's just like the idea. We'll see. The crane. We'll call it the crane. Yeah, the dipping of the toes here. Holding VWAP. Okay, coming back up, holding VWAP now. It's trying its best. We'll see if it does hold. This is really a no trade zone for me right now. We want direction, right? Especially going into market open. Look at the NASDAQ doesn't know what it wants to do, right? So Bitcoin just kind of reacted to the news, and now we're in a standstill. Looks like a giraffe pattern. That one's pretty good. The good old days. Yeah, that's the one. The spinning of the otter. Oh my God. Things you do. Welcome, maybe a Band-Aid. Thank you guys all for the super chats and the memberships. You guys are incredible. You guys know who you are. Vitalik cry on X. People talk. Yeah. I'm done my tea. I have this mud of a coffee beside me. I'm not too thrilled with this situation. Should I call my wife? She's sleeping with my 5-month-old son. Imagine. Hey, do you mind making me some coffee? I'd be dead. Bro, it looks like it's going to explode in some direction. Question is which. So it really is just holding its average price. Volume weighted average price. So for the day, today the average price is right here at 102. Let's call it 102,000. So the market agrees that this is where the average price is. Whether it deviates or not, or acts as a magnet, is for us to interpret. So with VWAP, we can see that acted as resistance. Anytime we got to VWAP, we got rejected on the way down here. That's why trend is your friend. Okay, you can short the VWAP every time here and make lots of money. Okay, so what are we doing now? Have we changed trend? Well, we have broken structure to the upside. Okay, so we do have a mitigation of this high. and continuation up, right? So what are we looking for in here? We're looking for a higher low and continuation out, right? Understanding, yes, this is a 3-minute time frame, but I understand that, 15-minute market structure, highs and lows, right, are more significant, right? You got to see through the weeds, especially if you're a scalper and you're looking at, what am I supposed to make of this price action, right? So doing that really can help you. And you always want to prioritize higher term time frames, right? Like 15-minute, giving yourself structure through the 15 minutes is going to allow you to make a lot better decisions based on where the market's going. You look at this, it's a lot cleaner. Okay, yes, we like to enter on the 3-minute, but we're always referencing back to this, right? Where you had a little mitigation in here, trying to break the high, didn't do so, continuation down, right? Same with here. We're trying to break this high in here. We've broken this high in here, so that's a good start. Okay, can we see that follow through onwards and upwards? Or are we going to have a revisit? Or are we going to have a sweep and then a go? Bullish divergence, 3 drives, a bullish divergence, right? So zooming out is always going to allow you to see the bigger picture, right? If you're in the city and you're here and you want to drive here, well, I know that I got to head east and north, right? Now, when I'm driving, I'm zoomed in, so I know what streets to take, right, along this route. Or maybe I take it this way, right? But I know generally that I'm going this way, and that's what the higher term time frames are for, right? Then when we zoom into the lower term time frames, depending on your time frame, you're going to have to make decisions based on that, okay? If you're trading on the 4-hour, you probably want to confirm on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes. If you're trading on the 3-minute, you probably want to confirm on the 15 and the 1 hour, right? It's all relevant. It's all going to help you make better decisions. What do we have? Bullish engulfing, big push to the upside, creating liquidity to the downside, looking for a return back in, possible bounce, right? Retest of the downwards trend, coming up to a bigger trend that we are well aware of all the way down in here. Can we get above that? That would be a very significant move for a continuation trade. Looks like we're rolling over right now. Okay, so could have taken that VWAP short, but coming into market open, letting the market kind of digest the news is going to be critical, right? Would have been a nice little short here. Okay, we wait. I'm favoring a long right now, obviously, because of the break of the structure, the continuation out. We're looking in here. We'll see if we get it. That's right around, let's call it 101.8. 101.8. We'll see if we do get the bounce out of there. We don't want to just jump into a trade in this box. Okay, we want to wait. Coming back, grabbing the late longs, right? Everybody who's happy-go-lucky, pressing buy. Good luck with that. It's not always the best choice. Sometimes it pays, right? Sometimes the breakout trade pays, especially if you get in like the breakout trade here. So the breakout happened here is the retest of this high here and that wick right there. That's the breakout trade that I would take. Okay. That's as simple as I can put it. You got to be quick. That's your scalp taking it to VWAP. That's the extent of that, right? So we definitely have that high in now. So this is a valid area that we are looking for a bounce. Okay. So you can, as soon as you have a confirmed low, you can put your fib on, right? Coming back down into this area here, looking for the potential long. Potential long coming back in. Don't bounce off the 0.5. Don't be an absolute canoe of a person. And the short was valid there too, right? As soon as you lost that VWAP there and you failed to hold above it, that was valid as well, right? It's very much up to your choice, right? Today we're focused on not over trading a setup, trying to be patient, watching price action materialize, kind of talking through it, being grateful for you guys for showing up to the live stream, hanging out with me. 400 people in here, absolutely mind-boggling. Just trying to. Yeah, BOJ rate decision tonight. We put a big warning in the Discord for everybody, so be careful of that. Pollo, it is changing. Good morning, maybe a Band-Aid. Good morning, everybody. Make sure if you are new here, subscribe. Say good morning. We're live trading every single morning, hanging out with you guys. Jesse, I warned you. Jesse said weekly VWAP. 10-second timeout, buddy. All right. Jesse got timed out for saying weekly VWAP. Oh, Trump shenanigans. Yeah, absolutely. Little Fish, good morning. Ben Sands, good morning to you guys. Alex, look at the fib from the swing low at 88 to swing at 109. The confluence is crazy at the golden pocket. It is also the POC of the 2-hour local range. Maybe retest that golden pocket and rip up. That's quite possible, man. Why can't we say weekly VWAP? Good morning, dude. Beatbox before you're out. I could drop a beat. 6,000 subscribers. Boom, boom, boom. Ladies and gentlemen. You can say VWAP, but that would be racist to my Italianness, you know? Without papers. That's what WAP stands for. Did you know that? And how many hers? Good to see you guys in here. At what time is BOJ? That's 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. Like 174 is Dave Digital's. Look at this bounce, man. Are you kidding me? Off the 0.5, is it that dirty? Is it this dirty? Or is it retest? See? Retesting our key. Look at these levels, man. Like, I put support and resistance on my chart with volume. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Is it going to hit here and reject? Probably. Look at this. Oh, man. So nasty. Look at this one. Oh, that's nasty. Sometimes I just think I should trade support and resistance. You ever think that? Look at this. Look at this. Called the high. Called the low. Called the low. My God. Support and resistance traders. I mean, why not? If you can, I'm sure you could develop a strategy, good risk management, support and resistance. Trading doesn't have to be hard. The only thing that makes it hard is you. I make my trading harder than it is. I think, too, because I teach in so many communities, it's like I have to have enough knowledge to answer questions on a whole bunch of things. I have a whole sheet for answering questions, frequently asked questions. My FAQ sheet, copy and paste them, baby. But it's always important to be able to help people on certain things, right? And my God, it's gonna 0.5 bounce on us like a dirty. Really? 0.5 is for NASDAQ, man. It's not for crypto. Am I missing something in here? Was there a volume level? Let's take a look at volume within this range. Not even a point of control. Breakout, retest over VWAP here. Continuation out. Looking for continuation. We've come down sufficiently, supposedly. We got 8 minutes till market opens. Thank you, everybody here, for being on the live. Wow. What a cheeky. So we're going to give away 2 memberships at the end of the stream. And 60 ADA from RMT and a chapter of Billy Goat Tales, okay? Which is pretty cool, man. Thank you guys for being so generous. Very good morning. Awesome. Okay, retest into VWAP here. Coming down. Coming down. No trade yet. No trade yet. I really wanted lower here. I really wanted lower. No trade. No trade. I was gonna say I was gonna take a stab. I was like, I was so close. No trade. No trade. It's too close to market open. Yeah, no trade. This is dropping down. If anything, you short here. But VWAP's telling me no short. Nasty. This is chicanery. Absolute chicanery. I'd have to go half a position size. Stop loss below the slow here. Let's see how it plays out. I'm going to be upset with myself again. Okay? Didn't take the trade from here. Not taking the trade from here. Watch. I think this is a good decision, though. We'll see. We'll see how it happens. No trade here. Patience. Trading is waiting, as usual. Okay, getting back to the roots, man. Getting back to the roots. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for being on the live here. 184 likes, man. Incredible. If you do want to come over and hang in our Discord, we would love to have you. $1 a day, the cheapest, best Discord in the whole crypto space. Okay, no arm and leg for this place. Look, Brewberry's going live right now. You probably want to go over there. He's an incredible trader as well, with his charts, with his chartistry. Kyle with a beautiful render trade the other day, talking BOJ stuff. Amazing. Thesis with the scalps, with the longs, with the swings. Myself with the... See, we wanted ETH yesterday. ETH didn't want to play. I am not in yet. I will let you know, right? I would have let you know if I entered ETH. I did not enter ETH. Okay? You need to make sure that you are reading as long as... Incredible group, though. Incredible group. I mean, place was free for over 2 years, and just busy, man. Too busy to not charge. Everybody's talking smack in the... Everybody's in here. Rashad loves Mark, man. Rashad and Mark are gonna make sweet love one day. I think there's a connection going on there. Thank you, everybody, for being in the chat. Much love to every single one of you guys. You guys are incredible. The mod said there's a guy, HB, in the chat. Shout out to HB. Let's all put an HB in the chat. He said, thank you. Good afternoon, Alex. Been a bit of a rough week with the breakup, so thanks for being a ray of optimism. Let's see some HBs in the chat, man. Thank you for being here, HB. Appreciate you, man. Hopefully that gets better, man. That gets better. It always does, man. There's always pain before the good, right? That's typically how it goes. I mean, I knew my wife for 3 years before we even dated, okay? Chasing. I was hungry. But, patience will prevail. Shout out to you, man. Thank you for being here. Rejection off VWAP. Looks like this is coming down now. We're coming into market open. We got a minute and a half till market opens. Thank you for being here, everybody, and supporting the channel. HB's in the chat, man. See? This is the community, man. We appreciate you, bro. No, algorithmic trading. No experience in that. Apologies. The worst thing is someone who says they have experience and they don't. That's the worst, man. Those people can go, Never own any ADA. This looks like it's breaking down for real. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Looking toppy here. Exhaustion at the top. No real strength coming through. Rejection off of VWAP. The only thing bullish is the news right now. Everything else is pointing down. We even have like a little trigger wave in here. Trigger wave here. Look, downtrend trigger wave, right? Downtrend. What did the trigger wave do? You sold on the trigger wave. You sold on the trigger wave. I think you made a lot of money. Okay? What do we have right now? Trigger wave. Don't fade the trend. And I could be wrong. I could be wrong, okay? But this is a sea of red. This is a trigger wave. This is a trigger wave. You sell the trigger wave, you make it a money. Okay? We'll see. Sometimes it works in threes, though. Remember, threes are important. Little push here. Coming into market open, 9:30. S&P gapping down. Okay, gapping down like we thought. Not as far down as I thought it would. Nasdaq opening up here. We'll see how it rolls out. Looking flaggy. This thing looks like it's gonna break down. Okay, Bitcoin, a little push. Nothing spectacular here. I would look for the mitigation of this high in here at 102.713 if we're looking for a potential short. Okay. We'll see if we get it. Market is open now. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Got a little push up here, rejection, push back down. Volume picking up now into market open. Remember to use good risk management. Please be patient with me here. We'll see if we do get the beautiful trade that we were all looking for. We can see that we are getting a little bit of a push here. So we got this and continuation out. We'll see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing. We just hit 6,000 subscribers today. We're going to do a giveaway. We're going to do 2 3-month giveaways today at the end of the stream. No trade as of yet. Just waiting. Big push here for Bitcoin. It bounced off the 0.5 on us, guys. Look at this thing. Absolutely ripping. Coming up, mitigating this high. Okay. Mitigating this high. Okay. Shout out to those who are in the long, getting above this trend line. My God. Is this the God candle that we missed? Definitely missed this one. Holy shit. Big push for Bitcoin. Can we jump on? Let's see if we can jump on. Holy Scheisenhausen. Big volume here. My God. Did not expect that. We are so back. Okay, big push up into the high here. Coming back down here. Looking for a potential long. Retest back in. Coming back for the longs. Okay, taking a little stab right here. Taking a little stab right here. Continuation out. Nice push, Bitcoin. Nice push, baby. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit off here. Stop loss to entry. Stop loss to entry. Made a quick $70 so far. Quick $70. Half a position size, obviously a risky trade. We're in it though. We're in the trade. Market. I didn't even mark it in, so that's pretty wild. Where are we in from? 101, 103.2, 103.2. So we're in from here. Can come against us here. That's fine. Stop loss at entry. We'll see if it does want to pump. Big sell wall up in here. Trying to jump on the trend here. We'll see if it does want to continue to rip. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. I mean, not an easy 0.5 bounce. That was cheeky. Okay. That was very cheeky. A big push out of the lows here. All right. Coming up to this red box here. I'll be looking to take off some more at the red box here. Trying to guarantee myself a couple hundo or whatever, right? Shout out if you are in the long from the low. My God, what a trade, man. What a trade. You guys are killing it. Pushing here. Pushing here. Come on, Bitcoin. Pushing to the red box. Pushing to that red box. All right, I'm going to take another bit off here. Guaranteed $150 on this trade. Stop loss, just creeping. Okay, shout out to you guys. Thank you for being here on the live. Quick 150 on a half a position size. You don't want to be greedy here. This thing will come back down and wreck everybody, right? So now we're in it. You need to be quick on these things. Look at this thing rip, baby. Up a good 50% on this trade. For me, it's you don't put on major size. Are we all in the long, everybody? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Patience, patience, patience. Coming back to wreck the late longs as usual. Big sell wall in here, so we'll see how it reacts up in this area. This is a big order block. Okay, we got golden pocket above us. Macro golden pocket. This is macro. Okay, this is a full range golden pocket in here, so a big push out of here. We'll see if it does want to continue to push. And we are long from here. Oh, we will trail this if we get like consolidation and a bounce. Okay, we'll put our stop loss, so we'll continue to trail this on the way up, but it's looking juicy so far. Shout out to you guys. We're up a good old $100 and $200, $300 now, man. So a nice little trade here. You're not gonna put on full position size on something like this. Up 52% on the. I mean, no complaints here. You guys are crushing it. Shout out to you guys if you took the long. We are so back, he says. Bass Crouton. Look at this thing rip, baby. Look at it rip, man. We're long. Short setup. We're looking. I would be looking. We see this red line here. It's been really good to us, so we'll see. But this is this up only, man. Look at this, 3%. Whew. Up only right now. Bitcoin rising from the ashes. No short here. Shout out to those who took the long. I always let you know when I enter. So, I mean, what else am I supposed to do? What else am I supposed to do? Thank you, thank you. Yes, let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, coming up into this would be the ideal area for this thing to kind of slow down. It's a big circle. Let's make the circle a little bit smaller. We'll see. We'll see. This is incredible, man. What a pump. What a pump. Sometimes you just got to have the cojones to press buy, right? And I see you guys. You guys are crushing it. Good job. Good job. We're going to let this thing ride. I'm going to bring the stop loss up into like 104. Yeah, we'll bring the stop loss to 104. Just trailing it. I want to guarantee myself like at least $300 out of this trade. Good job, everybody. You don't chase price, but sometimes, you could see the momentum. You'd have to be blind to not be able to see the strength in this move. So maybe it's pumping into the carry trade. Maybe it's not. But guess what? The gang here, we took the long, man. Nice call, bud. Thank you, Billy Baines. Crypto Rob, hey, bro, what leverage do you usually use and what size of trade? Hey, Tony Soprano, do we have the copy and paste? So, Crypto Rob, we put on 44X. I need like an exclamation mark symbol. Dave, can you make one? Can you make one? So we go 44X leverage. Oh, wait. It didn't work there. 44X leverage. 100K trading account. 10K on exchange. $2,500 at 44X leverage. Right? Which is 100K, 100K on a trade, risking 300 to make 900, looking to make 1%, risking 0.3%. There it is. Can we make that? Dave, are you able to make that into an average there? So I can go exclamation mark, maybe position. How do you do that, Dave? Dave Digital knows how to do that. Yeah, so we're always trying to take this out of the market. That's the goal. Risking 300 to make 900. Well over $100,000 trading account, okay? 44x leverage, so I only have to keep $10,000 on my trading account on MexC because I hate holding lots of money on an exchange. It's just not comfortable for me. Using leverage to make up the difference. Look at all these guys making money today. My stop loss is at 104,000 now. We're long from 104. We're long from 103.1. We're long from here. Stop loss is here. Just so you guys know. Golden pocket. Coming into the golden pocket. We'll see how it behaves here. No short for me, my friends. If it comes back down, knocks us out, that's fine. Great trade today, everybody. Good job. What's the NASDAQ? NASDAQ sweep of the lows, bouncing. Okay, that's a good sign. Sweep, and bounce. Okay, that's a trade I like to take. The S&P pushing back. That's a good sign. The Dixie pushing up. Want to see the Dixie die, man. Golden pocket. Okay, coming into the golden pocket here, having a little bit of trouble as expected. Okay. Up only, man. Holy shit. Up only for real. Add command. Risk. So whenever I go risk, it'll say that. Thank you so much, Dave. I appreciate you, brother. Thanks, Dave. Someone tweeted big news? What are they tweeting? Tweety bird. How much do you think XRP will be worth at the end of the week? I don't know. 50 cents is the best answer I got. Wasn't it 50 cents for like 8 years? Shout out to the XRP army, man. I'm just kidding with you guys. I hope you guys get to $10, okay? I hope you all win. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me. We had 6,000 subscribers today. We got a successful trade. Very good day. Let's see what we can do here for the giveaway, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with us. You guys are incredible. You guys are top notch. Comment picker, baby. Always like a comment picker. Picker noser. YouTube random comment picker. Gonna put you guys to work now. 2 memberships. Gonna do 2 giveaways here for 6,000 subscribers. Okay, let's go and find a video. Let's go and find a video. Okay, content. Moose. Good morning. I need coffee. That's fine. I'm almost done the stream. I'm doing a giveaway. I hit 6,000 subscribers today. Yeah. Hey, buddy. What's going on, little man? Hi. Good morning. My son is so cute. You guys have no idea. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? You having a good day? Did you sleep well? Yeah, it's a big smile for Dad. That's a big smile for Dad. How's it going? Yeah, Dad made a good trade today. Yeah? Yeah, we up in the money. You want to go shopping? Yeah? Okay. Aw, what a cutie. Good morning to the little one. Yeah, thank you guys. He's a charmer, man. I'm so blessed. Yeah, let's do I don't know, a trading review video maybe. We could do one of those. How to use VWAP on the NQ. Let's do this video. Get shareable link. Okay? You're going to go over to this video. You're going to comment 6,000 and something nice. If the comment isn't nice, you ain't getting anything. Go to this video, comment 6,000 or 6K. No, 6,000 has to be in the comment. 6,000 has to be in the comment. Go over to this video, comment 6,000. Yeah, we're up like $400 now. Pretty nice. Could have added. Stop loss going up here. Go over to that video, comment 6,000. 2 memberships given away. Look at this thing go, man. This is incredible. Incredible. What a day to be in crypto. Up only, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Love seeing you guys win. Love seeing you guys all make money today. I'm going to take off some more money here. Let's take off another half here. We're like 75% out now. Let's go, baby. Big rip to the upside today. And you guys, it took us a while to get into it, but we got into it, okay? And that is the key, is that we did make money today, okay? We didn't rush ourselves. Good job, everybody. So go over to that video, comment 6,000. Something nice. I can hear my wife grinding coffee beans. What an absolute gem. All right, we got the video here. Filter comments by 6,000. Okay. Because there's so many friggin' bots right now. The amount of bots on the comments are ridiculous. Okay. Show random names. Duration. 3. Get comments. Okay. Getting comments on the video. 31 unique comments. Only 31 people participating in the giveaway. With 6,000. I'll give you guys another 2 seconds here. All right, go over to the video, comment 6,000 and something nice. If it's not nice, you don't get shit. Okay? Dave, you can get away with the fart today because you did put the risk in here, okay? You dirty man. Okay, 9 plus 9. Get comments. We'll go again. Okay, here we go. Drum roll, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We're hitting 105,000. We're moving to the moon. We're going to hit 106,000, 106,000. Can we get 106,000? Wild Deuces, you are already a member, my man. Congratulations. Wild Deuces. 6,000 is just the beginning. Alex, happy to be Otter gang. Congratulations, Wild Deuces. You are in the Discord, so we could possibly just give you $50. I mean, it's only $30 for a membership, but we will give you 30. We will give you 50. Congratulations, Deuces. Congratulations, bro. All right, let's do another one. Let's go, Deuces. Congratulations, Wild Deuces. All right, let's go and give you guys another video here. I'm going to give you the next one in line. That's going to be this one here. Get shareable link. You're going to go over here and you're going to put in this chat, you're going to put $10,000 otters. That's what you're going to put. 10,000 otters. And put 10,000 needs to be in the comment, okay? 10,000 needs to be in the comment. And something nice. How many accounts do you have? 10,000 needs to be in the comments. Going over here. Look at this thing, just going to the moon. Everybody's in the long, right? I got in late, if anything, so you guys all should be in the long. 10,000. 7 plus 4 is 12. What? 10,000. Here's the video. No duplicates. Show random names. 12. Get comments. Is it being one of those today? I'll refresh it. Hey, beautiful. This, I tried mixing your decaf with mine because I only had a little bit left. Oh my God. I had a sip and I nearly barfed. So I made a tea. Oh man. My wife looked at me like with complete disgust. All right, 48 comments. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Doo doo. 10,000 otters and something nice. Let's go. Shark Vin's not playing around. Not playing around. Congratulations, Shark Vin's, on your 3 months membership. Incredible. Winners, chicken dinners. Okay, that's awesome. 68 now. We're going to do 68. Okay, we're going to go over to Retro Mic Tech's Retro Mic Tech's YouTube. Okay. Honestly, I tried watching a mining video. Honestly, I understood nothing. I understood nothing. But Retro Mic Tech, go follow him. He's almost at 10,000 subscribers. We're gonna give away. He's giving away 68. So you're gonna come into my Discord. I'm gonna get your name. I'm gonna give it to Mike, and he'll give you your ADA. Or you're going to give me your ADA address after your winner, and then I'm going to give it to Mike, okay? Because I have Mike's DMs. Oh, look at that. All right, so we're going to go over here. We're going to go into our chat. 68, another one, another giveaway, okay? RMT. Go and check out this video. Comment. comment whatever you want with an otter emoji. It has to have an otter emoji in it. Say something nice to Mike. Mike, anything you want. You're gonna get some ADA. Bitcoin hitting 106 and coming right back down. Okay. Go over and comment something nice in there. With an otter, please. With an otter. Just so I can filter it. I'm going to refresh this again. Thank you for 6,000 subs. I mean, we can't do this every 1,000 if we're growing fast, man. We'll have to do a 10K sub giveaway, yada, yada, yada. 5 plus. I don't think I can filter with... Can I filter with an otter in here? Gotta have an otter. All right. 6 comments. Do you guys want to try again or what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, 6 comments it is. For the ADA, 60 ADA for 6,000 subscribers. RMT giving it away. Okay. And we're also going to Unishinoya. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Let's go. Looks like Bitcoin's cooling off a little bit here, but still very bullish momentum to the upside here. Okay. Stop loss is still under the low here. Hitting 6K. Rejection back down. Retesting this area in here would be bullish in my opinion. 104. Coming back down for some late longs, obviously. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out with me, supporting the channel, subscribing. Means a lot to me. We took the long today from down here. So great job, everybody. Congratulations on your gains today. God bless every single one of you guys. I really do appreciate you guys hanging on. We'll talk more about this. This is always a good topic. Okay. We also got to go over and do a Billy Goat Tails giveaway. So we got to go and do Billy Goat Tails as well. My God, you guys are putting me through the ringer today. But that's okay. I do appreciate you guys. So I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Billy Goat Tails 111. Okay. Giver's game, baby. Giver's game. Last but not least. Okay. Last but not least. You're going to go over here. Giver's game, baby. Giver's game. Make sure you are subscribed to Billy here. 350 subscribers on their way up. Just started. So, yeah. Awesome. Go and support these guys. Going to give you an NFT from these guys. Awesome NFT. You guys are being spoiled today. And I'll definitely get you guys that as well. So just go over here and throw an otter in the chat. Same thing. Otter in the chat. Go over here. Otter in the chat. And we'll make sure you get that as well. Okay? Make sure you get that as well. Okay. Otter in the chat over there at that video. NFT. Billy Goat Tails. Pretty cool. Crypto Pollo. Crypto Pollo giving this away. So I could message Pollo and get you guys your NFT as well. Okay. 6,000 subscribers. It's a lot of work for 6,000 subscribers, man. Here we go again. Let's go. Otters in the chat, baby. Otters in the chat. Billy Goat Tails. Look at this. What a wife, man. What a wife. You guys have no idea. I think the game is rigged, man. I think the game is rigged. I think You Nishinoya is rigged the game, man. I think you rigged the game. What do you guys think? Someone has a horseshoe up their butt. Did I change the video? Yeah, it's a different comment too. Duan Nguyen, did you cheat? Horseshoe butt plugs. Let's go. Oh man, horseshoe butt plugs. Spin again. I don't think so, man. I think that was fair. Put a 1 in the chat if that was fair. All you guys are crazy. Come over to the Discord, hang out. There's a free section. We'd love to have you over there. I appreciate you guys. Great stream today. Great stream. We have, 450 people in here. We're growers and showers, I guess, hitting 6,033 subs. So thank you guys for getting me over the little milestone there. Continue to show up. We're in the trade. Making money, baby. Making money. What else are we supposed to do? We've done our job. The job is done. You guys are awesome. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. It was a good trade. It was a good session. Lots of learning. Lots of alpha. Always good stuff. Thank you for subscribing, being part of the family. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good one. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of